up, YouTube? Listen, family, another week is in the books. Listen, if you made money this week, let me know down in the comments below, despite the holiday. And I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. But more importantly, I want to know how you finished your week, okay? Listen, as always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please make sure you like, subscribe. Help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, listen, guys, I want to recap the week it was, but also give you a perspective that I want you to carry with you for the long term, okay? Now, check this out. We now have the Thanksgiving holiday in the books, okay? I told you guys around that time, sometimes the market likes to do a melt up. Now, if we take a look at the SPY, for example, guys, it has made new all-time highs, okay? But what I want you to do, I want you to write this down so next year you have a reference point as to how does the Thanksgiving holiday play out in the stock market, okay? Although it made new all-time highs, it still did it in a unceremonious type of way, okay? Yes, we're sitting above 600. We hit as high as 603 today. We closed at 602. All of those are good things. All of those are brand new all-time highs. But at the same time, I want you guys to see how it was done. You still had down days or pullbacks on Mondays, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. You guys get what I'm saying? It wasn't just a straight upward move. I need you to lock in on that. So in the future, when we tell you about rallies, when we tell you about holidays, when we tell you about like this upcoming Santa rally we're gonna have, guys, it's not something that's going to just be skyrocket to the moon every single day. So I want you guys to kind of reflect on this week over the weekend, okay, as part of your homework assignment, so that you can see for yourself how it actually plays out. Wall Street has a very slick way of getting to the destination, but taking the scenic route. And that's what I feel like this was on a lot of levels. Although all is well, the market ended on a good note, the half day ended on a positive note. Everything is at new all-time highs. And so you guys see what I mean? Now you can sit around your family and be halfway talking decent because how they maneuver the update at the very last minute, okay? Just peep those little things for me. But more importantly, guys, I got some things I want to take you guys through today that I want you to walk with me on. Then I got a cheap stock for you all that I need you to be in for the long haul, okay? Apple, guys, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at 237.40. Shout out to the money team. This was a play we got in this week at 229, and to see it up $9 for the week, almost 4%. I want to say major salute, okay? Guys, do me a favor. If you haven't joined the money team and you want to be with us for next week, please do so. The link for that will be down in the comments below. Everybody else be in the Discord first thing in the morning, Monday morning, okay? But for the week, this was up again, guys, nearly 4%, okay? And you can't beat that. We had some phenomenal moves. Back here is where we start cooking at. I saw these levels on last week, okay? So I already kind of anticipated what this week was going to look like. Shout out to everybody that executed, okay? Now check this out. Another one is Meta, ticker symbol META. This one finally woke up. It was stuck in a range. It was consistently getting rejected back down here at this level, okay? It was stuck under this 568 level for the longest until it finally broke through rejection and then broke out, going all the way up here $10 to 578 before pulling back on this half day. But that was a phenomenal move as well for the week. This one was up over 2%, okay? And so again, guys, these are things I want on your radar, okay? Check this out, Palantir. How many of you guys are continuing to do your thing in Palantir? If you made money with Palantir this year, let me know down in the comments below. This one was up as high as $67 today. Currently is up at $66.92. The ticker symbol on this one is PLTR, up over 1.5% today. Okay, look at this double bottom it made down here in pre-market, kind of letting you know they were setting up for a blast off move today from $65 all the way to $67 if you look right here, okay? And so we topped that level. Okay, this is a play that if you guys, these next two plays, if you can have a long-term outlook and you can, yeah, it's okay to trade and be in and out. But some stuff you want to have a position that's just meant for you to hold it long term. So you might have one account that has Palantir in it where you hold that for 10 years. Whereas another account you hold Palantir, you might take profit when it double up from here or something like that, okay? In this next play, I want you guys to consider the same thing. But check this out, on the week, this was up 9%. Over $5.70, guys. This has been on a phenomenal run, okay? 67.39 is one of the highs that it closed at. So we'll look for that level to be retested on next week for me, okay? Now check this out. Tesla woke up today coming all the way from 326 on Wednesday, now sitting up as high as 346. That's a $20 move, guys. And when you add it all up, it was up $12 and nearly 30 cents today, over 3.5%, sitting at 344. That's the thing about Tesla, guys. It can wake up at any point in time, and you want to make sure that you aren't on the wrong side of the trade when it does. If it's going down, cool, you inputs. But when it hits support and it reverses and changes course, you need to do the same. Don't get your feet stuck in the cement messing around with Tesla, okay? This play could change your life in any direction, okay? You just need to be on the right side of that trade for me, okay? This one on the week woke back up a tad bit. It got a lot of more work to do though. It was up nearly $5 at 1.45%. But remember I taught you guys about these moves right here. This is called thin structure, 361 all the way down to 334. So if we're sitting at 344, we can go all the way back to 361, okay, just to recover that thin structure move down, okay? There's nothing impeding us from just shooting straight up once we get through like I'm gonna say 348, 346-ish. We should be running straight back up to the top of this level, okay? So just be on the lookout for that. This will be one of the targets, but I'll make sure I set it up for you guys properly so you don't get ahead of yourself, okay? And then Nvidia, it woke up today too, guys, sitting at 2%, up nearly $3 at 138.17. The ticker symbol on this one, guys, is NVDA. On the week, this one was, again, semiconductors in general has been down, okay? This one popped up from 132 to 138. I need you guys to watch this one on the week, because if we can't recapture a solid 140 level, like 142, 144, guys, it won't surprise me if we went back down on a red day to retest these lows and possibly lose these lows and go lower if semis continue to struggle. So watch the whole semiconductor industry and sector to see if this catches a bid or if this goes down with the ship, okay? Keep your eye on that for me. But today it did decent, popping up from this level 136 all the way up to 139. I saw it earlier today, okay? And then SoFi, okay? This is one that has a 200% potential, guys. Ticker symbol on this one is SOFI, sitting at $16.39. Now this was a play that we had since $4, okay? So 200% from $4 would have been 12, okay? That's already a 200% move. On the week, this was up over 7%. On the month, this one is up 49%, okay, almost 50%. 3 months out, just in 3 months, think about how this could change your life if you was doubling your money, putting your 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K inside of something like this. Think about those that has millions that put this in this just over the last 3 months. This didn't even take the 12 months. But year to date, guys, this is up 68%. 1 year out, it is up 120%. What I want you guys to know, once Wall Street gets made more aware of this, like they are learning about Palantir, and now they're going to be learning about SoFi. When they get on board fully, this could easily take on a valuation that can allow this to be $32, And then you wouldn't rule out this going from $32 to $64. Okay, but guess what? That is a 3 to 5 year outlook that you need to have on something like this. Okay, yes, it's going to do its thing short term. $20 is a target for now. Okay, but think about if you've been in this since $4 or $6, okay, or $7, you already up over 120%. Okay, and even more than that, the lower you buy it. This is why I'm stressing to you guys to learn to buy low. I just want to put this one on your radar as a long-term play. So if you have, this is the lesson. If you have a couple different portfolios, one of your long-term portfolios needs to hold SoFi and Palantir that you don't touch for at least 7 to 10 years. Watch what it do. You will at least get 200% return on your money, and you can set it and forget it, and it'll change your life. Yes, there's going to be volatility in there, but that's not for you to watch. You can be trading it, and when it's having a down year, you're making money with it to the downside. Okay, listen guys, I just want to put these plays on your radar. We had a phenomenal week again, whether you were making money to the upside on certain days or making money to the downsides. But guess what? We don't rest on our laurels. We ready to run it back and do it all again next week, guys. I want to say major salute to those of you that did make money. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most we see end result. If you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.